Now turn to other stories. A coalition of about 150 women's rights and civil society groups has called on Governor Babajide Sanwo-olu to immediately lift the suspension on the guidelines on safe termination of pregnancy. Kemi Foladeyemo has more.
Unsafe abortion accounts for a high number of maternal deaths in Nigeria. In 2011, the Lagos State House of Assembly amended its criminal code to accommodate 3 sections criminalizing illegal abortions, and offenders are to risk between 2 to 3 years in jail. But the law also provides for medical abortion under Section 201. It is on this premise that the state government, on June the 29th, 2022, launched guidelines for safe termination of pregnancies for legal indications, but the policy was suspended shortly after. It met opposition, largely on religious and cultural grounds. And now these women groups are calling for the suspension to be lifted.
What the guideline is doing is to ensure that termination of pregnancy is professionally standardized and regulated. And that if we do not do this, just as we have had a very bad record of quite a number of people, particularly teenagers, young women, who die as a result of unsafe abortion, we will continue to have this bad record of deaths that we see on a daily basis.
There are all the issues that are existing. It's just a compilation of all these issues that are in the document, so that it can be standardized across board, and also for new medical practitioners coming into on board will know the cases in which pregnancy can be terminated.
The activists say the government should have done more consultations beforehand to drive the gains of the policy.
I think what is actually the problem is sensitization. People don't understand. I go to mosque every day, I go to churches, and we talk on public health, especially family planning, childbirth spacing, all those things that are related to sexuality and so on and so forth. So you find out that people don't even want to discuss it, but they do it on a daily basis.
What is the stake of the woman carrying the pregnancy? If she is at a risk, then there is no point her going ahead with the pregnancy, because it's just like waste. She wouldn't be alive to take care of the child, so there's no point.
The women say they have a right to their bodily integrity and to life, which the policy upholds. Kemi Foladeyemo, TVC News.